Hello and welcome back to the ILC YouTube channel. People often come to the ILC with questions regarding the formatting of their papers or wrestling with problems in Microsoft Word. As a result, we're going to use this video to answer a few frequently asked questions regarding Microsoft Word and MLA formatting. One of the most common formatting questions we see in the ILC is this one: how do I set up page numbers? MLA format requires that your last name and the number of the current page appear in the upper right-hand corner of the page. To get this in place, follow these instructions. Go to Insert at the top of the page. Find Page Number on the control panel and click it. From the drop-down menu, select Top of Page, then Plain Number 3. This will open the header section of the paper and place the page number in the upper right. From there, simply type your last name and press the spacebar once. You can then highlight both the name and the number, just as you would with normal text, and change them to 12-point Times New Roman font. A second frequently asked question is how to prevent Microsoft Word from adding extra spaces between paragraph breaks, especially when creating the MLA standard header on the upper left side of the first page. As you can see here, a larger gap between lines appears when I hit Enter than when the text simply wraps around normally. To avoid this, you have two options. Option 1, instead of using Enter when you want to move down a line, hold down Shift while pressing Enter. This will create a line break instead of a paragraph break, and will not add the extra space. Option 2 is a more permanent solution, at least for the current document. Right-click on the paper field and select Paragraph from the option list. Look to the Spacing section of the menu and find the After option. Click on the down arrow until it reads 0 points. This will stop the program from adding an extra space after a paragraph break. Another question we often hear is, how do I format my Works Cited page? There are two common mistakes here that often get in the way. Since the Works Cited page has to be on a separate page from the essay itself, many people often hit Enter several times to move to the next page. While this works, it will result in spacing problems if anything is added or removed from the original essay. Instead, place your cursor at the end of your essay and go to the Insert tab. Then select Page Break. This will automatically move your cursor to a new page. This page will remain separate even if you add more text to your paper. We also often see people who have manually indented the second and third and so on lines of their Works Cited entries. Instead of going through this trouble, follow these steps. After typing them all out in normal format, highlight all your Works Cited entries. Then right-click on them and select Paragraph from the Options menu. Next, find the Special drop-down box in the Indentation area. Click on the arrow and select Hanging from the list, then select OK. This will apply a hanging indent to each of your entries, indenting every line but the first. This is the indentation style required by both MLA and APA formats. Speaking of the Works Cited page, I do want to share a trick that made my life a lot easier when working with long lists of sources. Type out your Works Cited entries as normal. If you have any entries that begin with a quotation mark, delete the first quote now, but don't forget to add it back when we're done. Next, highlight them all, then look for the small icon at the top of the screen with an A and Z labeled Sort. Click on this icon. Select Sort Ascending from the options available and hit OK. This will automatically alphabetize your Works Cited page no matter how many entries you have. But don't forget to go back and add any quotation marks you deleted from the beginning of those entries. A final and simple set of tricks which can be used to increase your typing speed are keyboard shortcuts. Here are a few of the simplest and most common shortcuts. Ctrl+B automatically toggles between bold and normal text. Ctrl+I does the same for italicized and normal text. Ctrl+C copies all highlighted text into the clipboard, just as it would with the copy command. Ctrl+X cuts all highlighted text into the clipboard, just as it would with the cut command. Ctrl+V pastes your clipboard contents onto the page, just as it would with the paste command. And Ctrl+S saves your work, just as you would with the save command. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Have an excellent semester.